Good morning, folks. I'm Joanna Doe with Channel 47 News. We'll start the morning news with an interview with Sunny Summers, the expert on the changes in the industries and new powers emerging. She will tell us about the background of industrialization and other important topics concerning industrialization. Now let's start our interview. Please welcome Sunny Summers.
Woo! Good morning, Joanna. Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. Let's jump right into the interview. Now, you're an expert on the Industrial Revolution. Please tell me what new nations raced to industrialize.
Well, the most known nations that raced to industrialize were Germany, France, and the U.S.
Oh, interesting. France and Germany and the U.S. Why were the new nations able to industrialize?
They were able to industrialize because of the resources they had. The nations had natural resources such as coal and iron. They also had the advantage of following Britain's very successful lead and borrowed British expertise on technology.
I see. So natural resources and following Britain's lead. Now, which nations were slow to industrialize?
Eastern and Southern Europe were slow to industrialize.
Eastern and Southern Europe? Please explain why they were slow to industrialize.
Yes, they lacked. They lacked the natural resources and they lacked the capital investment in the industry.
This is all making sense now. Now, can you explain the global effects of industrialization?
Global effects on industrialization were many, such as the rapid urbanization when families from the other countries moved to the cities because of the demand for workers in the industrial factories. Also, people, men, women, and children worked extremely hard and long hours every day. There were also mass quantities produced of products, and they were sold at lower prices. The demand for goods created a demand for more jobs in many different work fields. All of these effects would build cities, railroads, and more factories. Politics also changed to meet the demands of the industry society. Economical and technical advances will also take place.
Wow, that's a lot. So let me recap. The effects were cities being built, urbanization, lower prices, more roads, more factories, political changes, and economical and technical advances.
Correct.
Well, thank you so much, Sunny, for coming on our show and sharing this information.
You're welcome.
Now, next up is a review on industrial age.